Hi children, today we are discussing class 7, chapter 4, lines and angles, exercise 7, page number 85, question number 3. Find the measures of x, y and z in the figure where L is parallel to BC. In this, already in this question, figure has given, we had to find in this x value, y value and z value. Here two parallel lines has given, that is L is parallel to BC. Here one line, the name has given, that is L, this is PBC. Okay, why these two are the parallel? Why? Because these two, there is no common point, that's why these two are the parallel lines and these two are in same side only. Okay, next one, in this question we had to find the x value, y value and z value. Are you observing children? Here one line is there. For this line only, this side is one angle and this side is one angle. Okay, by seeing this, are you observing? We saw this type of in this. For this line only, one side is one angle, the one more side is another angle for this line only. So by seeing this one, we say simply alternative angle. These are the alternative angles. Okay, alternative angles are equal. So whatever this value is equal to this value. Okay, simply y is equal to 75. We got the y value, that is why, because alternative angles are equal. Same as here. Here one more line is there. This side is 45 and this side is z. Okay, z is equal to 45. Why? Because here alternative angles are equal. So z is equal to 45. Okay, next one. Here are you observing one of the straight line? Yes, in protractor also we can see this is one of the straight line. Here 180 degrees. Okay, here to here 90 and here to 90. This totally 90 plus 90 we get the 180. One of the straight line will come. Okay, this is 180. Okay, next one. Here 180. Why? Because this is a straight line. Okay, whatever your three angles are there for this, 75 plus x and 45 is there. We have to add this. We get 75 plus 45, we get 120. Okay, plus x I have written same as equal to same 180. We had to find the x value, so this 120 we had to transpose to that side. We get x equal to 180 minus 120. We got here x equal to 60 degrees. If you are subtracting from 180, we get 60 degrees. Now we got the values of the y, z and x. Okay children. Next one. Next question is here. Fourth question. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. Find the angle B, angle C and angle D. Here are you observing one of the quadrilateral is here. This we had to find the AB. See here, AB is parallel to this is line is parallel to this one and this line is parallel to this one. Okay, and this what we are going to find here, one angle already given this one. We had to find the values of the B, angle B and the angle C and the angle D. Okay, now angle B plus 50 equal to 180. Why? Because why we had to write like this? First of all, angle B plus angle 50 equal to 180. Why? Because by seeing this, see this type, if you see this type, what we can say for these interior angles on the same side of transversal. Interior means what? These two angles are inside. No, these two are the transversal. Okay, interior angles on the same side of transversal. Where it is, how to identify, why we have, how to put this name? By seeing this. Okay, are you observing these interior angles on the same side of transversal? So simply we have to add. If we see this type, we have to add these two angles and we can equate to 180. Okay, interior angles on the same side of transversal. So B plus 50 equal to 180. We had to find the angle B equal to 180 minus 50. We had to transpose this 50 to that side. Why? Because we had to find the B value, right? From 180, if we are subtracting 50, we get 130. Okay children, next one, same as B plus C. This angle B plus angle C. Same as, are you observing one more this side children? Okay, if you see this step, simply we say that is the interior angles on the same side of transversal. Okay, angle B plus angle C equal to, are you observing this type here? Okay, angle B plus angle C equal to 180. Already we got the B value is 130. No, in this we are substituting. Okay, in the place of B we are substituting here 130 degrees plus C equal to 180. We had to find the C value. So this 130 I am transposing to that side. So plus 130 becomes minus 130. Okay, C equal to 180 minus 130. From 180 if you are subtracting 130, we get 50 degrees. Okay, Next one, same as, are you observing, we got B value also and same as C value also. Now we had to find what, children? D value. Okay. Again, are you observing, children, here one? Interior angles on the same side of transversal, we had to give this quotation for this. Okay. Angle D plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. 50 C means already we got here. So in the place of C, we are substituting the 50, right? Plus and D equal to 180. 180. I am writing same as here. Okay. Next, angle D equal to, we had to find the angle D. So this 50 degrees, if you transposing to that side, we get minus 50. D equal to 180 minus 50, we get D equal to 130 degrees. Okay, we got the values of angle B and the angle C and angle D as. Okay, children.